All right, we are live. Brown out today. Good afternoon, Wilfred. How's it sound, okay? Hello, Joe the man. How's the sound and picture and everything sound? And look. Good. Yeah, we had a brownout today. Hello, Robert from Seoul, Korea. Good day, Mr. Mike. Hello, Ren Sniper. Yeah, we were going to go live earlier this morning, but there was a brownout, so that didn't happen. Thank you, Chris. Hello, Wilfred Diaz from Saudi Arabia. Good afternoon from Japan. See you there at Halloween. All right, bad boy G. Hello, California. Gerardo. How's the Philippines today? Rather sunny today. It was nice. It was warm. And you know what? They had a brownout. So we had no fan, no nothing. So Lit and I went over to the mall. Then we picked up Anna Grace from school. And then ran over to Marquee Mall and hung out in Marquee Mall for a while. Came outside. It was pouring down rain. And now it's cleared up. And, well, the sun's getting ready to set. It's a little on the warm side. No brownout this side of town. You know what, Bruce? Over here, Daewoo area, it seems like every other Wednesday, they just, it's a brownout. And I mean, they let us know, so we are aware of it, but it just seems like every other Wednesday, it's a brownout. Joe the man, am I from South Philly? No, I'm not from South Philly. From the suburbs of Philadelphia, but been to South Philly many times. G'day, Brian from Australia. Good day, Peter. Hello, Kano. You watched the video from a riot? Yeah, you know what? People had left comments and people had said in the summertime, it's pretty busy there. There's quite a few people that come there and picnic and, you know, go swimming and hang out there. This is the off season, so I know a lot of, excuse me, a lot of places, you know, close up the pool. They don't take care of things. But come summertime, you know, people are hot. People want to get away. People want to go swimming. So they clean it up, from what I'm told. But it's a nice park. Like I said, it's only about an hour outside Angeles City here. Upper Darby, no. 69th Street, no. No, Joe the man. Joe the man, are you from Philly? Hello, Keith Michael. Are you okay with ompong? What's ompong? What's ompong? Typhoon. Oh, Typhoon Ompong. Yeah, we're fine. If you watch the videos, we didn't get much rain. We didn't get much wind. It was pretty calm here for the most part. We've had more rain these past couple months on certain days, and we had through the whole typhoon. Yes, born in South Philly, moved to Upper Darby, then to Wildwood, New Jersey. I've been to every single one of them, South Philly, Upper Darby, and Wildwood, New Jersey. Dana's son, Texas Longhorns. You know what? I guess a subscriber gave me this hat. So I've just been kind of wearing it. I guess it's Texas Longhorn, or I don't know. I know it's Texas, but I'm not sure if it's Longhorn or whatever. But like I said, a subscriber gave it to me. Yeah, Joe, we did. Lut and I went to Wildwood one time, hung out there for a few days, went swimming, walked the boardwalk, watched the troll cars or tram cars or whatever they are. But yeah, we hung out in Wildwood for a few days. It was nice. I grew up going to Wildwood as a kid. You know, our parents would take us there, and you know, we'd do the rides, and we always camped. My parents always, you know, camped when we were there. And I remember my grandmother, my great-grandmother, she stayed down in Cape May at a campground down there. And I remember as a kid going down there, and they would do like the whole summer down there. We would go down there, hang out at the campground. We'd go crabbing with my grandfather, go over to the Chesapeake Bay. My grandfather would go fishing and stuff. But yeah, we grew up as kids going to Wildwood during the summertime. And then as we got older, we started going to Ocean City, Maryland, and hanging out in Ocean City, Maryland more. But I even took Lut to Ocean City, Maryland, hung out there. Of course, I didn't take her up to Atlantic City. We never made it there, but done some time in Atlantic City, Ocean City, New Jersey, hung out all up and down that area. Can I do a follow-up on the video about La Grande resident last year? Yeah, I guess I can go back there and check it out. I don't know, since we moved, I haven't been back in that area. So I don't know if it's completed now or not. I do know Candy Towers. It looks like they have all their, well, they do. They have all their scaffolding down on the outside. So I don't know what they all have left to do up there, but Candy Towers is, from the outside, it looks like it's completed. What's up, Philly? I like the time slot. I always miss your early morning live feed. Deuce Bigelow. Brownout. That's why we're on now. I think the power came on about 4 o'clock. And now we're just home. Lut's cousin's over at the store. She's handling all that. She's been there all day. We stopped over earlier to check on things, make sure everything's okay. And we just been out. How about the MD pastrami sandwich? MD. What's MD? Refresh my memory, William. Thank you, Joe the Man. You'll be here in a couple weeks. What's the easiest way to stop by and say hello? Send me a message through Facebook, Philly in the Philippines, and that way I know you're here. That way, if you say, hey, want to come by this day, we got to make sure we're there at the store and a time. Because now that Luisa's cousin here is here and she's handling the store, we're not over there as much. I mean, we still go over there. Lut still goes over there, make sure things are okay, inventory and everything like that. But that's the easiest way. Hello from Korea. We always tune into your channel. Christmas is around the corner. I wonder how many good kids do you have, and what would they be expecting? We have how many good kids? We have Anna Grace. What is she expecting? I don't know, anything. She's happy with anything. Matter of fact, we started doing some Christmas shopping today. Right, Lut? Yeah. Tell us about trilines? Trilines? What's trilines? Trilinus. Tell us about trilanet. What's up there? Send you a message on Facebook. Philly in the Philippines Facebook page.
Tell us about Trillanes. Oh, we're not in politics, Lay.
Oh,
Trillanes is senator.
oh, I don't know anything about that. Hey, Randy Woods. Fed up. How you doing, Fed up? Look, so hot. Joe the man. Hi, Look. Yeah, I don't know anything about the senator. I mean, I don't really follow the politics here in the Philippines. Also, hi, Lut, have a nice day. P. Heft. Yeah, it's been warm. Humid today. Have I seen Joseph's last vlog? I've seen it's posted, but I didn't check it out yet. Has the new Moai jacked you up yet? What are you talking about, Randy Woods? Who's the Moai? The new Moai jacked you up yet? I don't know. How's the weather there? Is it easy to get used to? Has the new money? Has new money jacked you up? No, hasn't, Randy. The weather. You know what? When you first get here, also it depends on when you arrive. Like coming from the States, if you arrive in the middle of the winter time in the States to here, of course it's warm. But it's like warm all the time. If it gets down to about 70, people here will put on a sandwich and, I'm reading Williams Pittman's sandwich. Put on a sandwich. Yeah, put on a jacket, put on a sweater, and they're cold. So, I mean, you do get used to it, but in the summertime when it's so hot, it's just hot. Even, a Filipino say it's hot. It's hot. Summertime, you kind of I want to stay in the air in front of a fan. There's a place we go swimming. One of the hotels, there's quite a few hotels here that you can go to, and you can pay to go in and swim. So, you do get used to it after a while, but when it's hot, it's hot. And you know what? We don't have an air conditioner downstairs here. We only have an air conditioner upstairs in the bedroom, and I leave it on at night, and I sleep in the air, because I don't want to be hot and, sticky and sweaty when I'm sleeping. So that's the only air con we have. But yeah, we don't have it down here. How's the weather in January? It's fine. Josephus, it's fine. It's not bad. This time of the year, it's not bad. From here all the way up to like March, end of March and April, it's bearable. It's not that bad. What are my hobbies? YouTubing. I mean, that's my hobby. That's what I like doing. That's what I do. Go out, walk around, check things out, check people out, go different places. I mean, that's what I do. That's what I like to do. I mean, I guess you could call that my hobby. But that's what I do. How long have I been in the Philippines? This past August, it was 2 years. But I've been coming back and forth to the Philippines since 2013, but officially retired here full time 2 years ago from August, this past August. We have heard that the government have banned all cigarettes everywhere to buy. Phil and Gary Lloyd, the only thing the government did was ban smoking in public. But you can buy cigarettes here, buy and sell them and smoke them, and they didn't ban smoking and buying and purchasing and selling of cigarettes here. You can still smoke here. Yeah, Mataba. Yeah, I think if I had aircon in every room here, it would, I probably wouldn't get out either. I would just, well, yeah, I would. I'd get from the air conditioner house here, the apartment, to the air conditioned car, to the air conditioned mall, and just be in air conditioning all the time. Plus, you know what? I don't know. I don't mind it, except for in the middle of the summer. Now there, it's crazy. It's like when I open the bedroom door to step out into the hallway, it's like you walk into a wall of humidity. But I don't mind it. What do you recommend about banking an ATM? I have a bank account here, and people do it differently here. Some people use their ATM card, and then their bank will reimburse them all those fees at the end of the month. I have a bank account here. We open up a bank account every month. I write them a check, I deposit it, and I just have money in there, and then I withdraw what I know we're going to spend for the month, and that's how I do it. And I always get cash. I have a US dollar account here, and so when I withdraw it, I withdraw cash, and then I will go to the money exchangers here. Sometimes I'll exchange quite a bit. Sometimes I'll hold on to it. Right now, yesterday it was at what, 54? It was at 54 even pesos on the US dollar, which I've never seen it that. Now this morning I seen it was 53.90. So it's right around there. So it's like, that's what I do. That's how I do my banking here. Like I said, other people do it differently. Magana Omaga Wally. How much do you spend a month? It all depends. Usually right around 15 to 1800 a month. It all depends. I mean, if nothing comes up that we gotta put extra money out, you know, right around 15 to 18 a month. I mean, you could spend more, you could spend less. I mean, if we didn't go out to eat as much as we did, we'd save a lot more. But it all depends on how you want to live here. It's up to the individual. Who is Philly in your title? Philly in my title. I'm from the Philadelphia area, and we call Philadelphia Philly for short, and that's Philly, Philly in the Philippines. That's how I came up with my name. Hey, Kevin, good morning. To see you, hope your day goes great. Kevin, it is evening here. So Kevin, if it's morning there, I hope your day goes great. Was around 5 pesos per dollar when I was first here. Wow, Bruce, it was 5 pesos on the US dollar. Man, that's terrible. Then again, Bruce, when were you here? Jowl James. I've worked in the USA for 24 years now, and I'm tired working. I have my Filipino wife in Cebu, and I come there this month. If I want to live in the Philippines, what business can I do to live? Good question. Like I said with the store that we have that little business. We're not getting rich off of it. We're not bringing a ton of money in. It pays for itself. What kind of business can you get into here? I really can't help you out on that. I really don't know. I guess if you have a ton of money, you can invest in condos. I don't know. I really don't know. Can't really help you out on that one. You know, I know people come here, they open up, you know, restaurants and delis and all kinds of stuff. Now that's up here in Angeles City, but I've seen them open up and I've seen them close within 6 months. You kind of got to have something that everybody wants, and then when you have something everybody wants, somebody's going to make a store selling the same thing you're selling because they went in on the profit still. $19.72, 5 pesos to the 1 US dollar. It's not easy life in the Philippines without plenty of cash. You're right, Jason. And like I always tell people, you know, people will save their money and they bank their money. They come to the Philippines and they have no income coming in except for that money that they saved. And they might come here early and they can't retire or they can't draw from their Social Security yet. So they're living on that saved up money, and something happens, and guess what? That money can go like that. Now what do? You know, you don't want to be stuck here with no income coming in. Unless, of course, you've got millions of dollars saved up in the bank, then I guess it would be no problem for you. But, you know, people, you know, they bank the money, then they don't have nothing coming in, and something happens, you could be in trouble. 50 plus pesos to the US dollar. Just day trade. Yeah, you know what? And I know people, getting back to what can you do here, I know there are people here that they teach online. They teach school online. There's quite a few people I know that do that. That's another way people make some money, is they teach online. So you can do it that way, or you have some business online that you can do. Pretty sure the US dollar is 54 pesos. Anything you need to buy at the moment. You're right, Deuce, it was 54 yesterday. Yeah, medical bills can break it quickly. You got it. Taxi, tricycle, or Grab. Well, you know what? I've always said this. If you got a tricycle, you know, a trike, and you're trying to get in that business, you're competing with everybody else here. Grab, I guess you could do that too, but you're competing with everybody here. If anything, buy it, let somebody else run it for you, and that way your face isn't out there. Oh, come on, have a seat. Have a seat, Lut. All right, here comes Lut. Here comes the Lut. Oh, give him help out. Where do you start? You just start where you want. If you scroll up, I've already answered them. I got any questions for you.
Where?
I can't see you. Oh,
see me there. Oh my God, why my face is like this?
Because we're not at the store.
Oh, it's so like blurry. Oh, I'm so oily. My gulay. I will start with Jason sauce. I have a wife, daughter in the Philippines. We have a clothes shop by. I still after work in London and still send cash. I visit 3 times a year. What do you have? We have a clothes shop by. I think that's a pretty nice business. A clothes something. That's my business before. It's I used to put that online. Share Serin 1955. Hannah Grace need a brother. We wish, but we can't. Wally Kroll, kumusta ka, Lot? Mabuti, kumusta naman? Paid up. Hello, Lot. Randy Wood, fruity shirt, there, Let. It's a new, huh? That's you, huh? Yeah, it's a fruity. This is like a gift from me. I think my brother gave this one to me. Where is Phil and Gaylord? What's the best medical insurance? Phil and Gaylord. What's the best medical insurance over here? We have this kind of bell health, but I'm not guaranteed it. Most of the time, private hospital don't really accept bell health. They have a lot of different kind of insurance over here, which is one of down there in the mall. They offer a lot of medical, any kind of medical, but Brian have insurance, so we don't need it, and I'm covered on his insurance. But I have bell health also. Gerardo Javerena. Hi, Ate Lotlot. Hello, Mr. Gerardo. Feed up. Still got that beautiful smile. Oh, that's a very nice compliment, Mr. Feed up. Thank you. Mabuti, mabuti. It's nice to hear that you are mabuti. You're good, Wally Crow. Armadidon. Is your American medical auto insurance any good in Philippines, Philly? I will ask him about it. Auto. It's like a car. I will ask him about it. I don't know. Pit hit. Great time for going live. Yeah, we have a run out earlier, so we don't do live in the morning. We used to do that. We used to do it in the morning usually. Doisy Bigalo. Hey, Lot, you still put oatmeal in your face? No! I don't put any oatmeal on my face no more. I will put it, I always say, I will do like, it is what it is. That's the way my face it is. I can't help it. Johan Wannerstorm. Johan Wannerstorm. Safety best way to get from SM to hotel when arriving in the middle of the night, taxi, grab, or tricycle. I will suggest grab. But I don't know because it depends how far is your hotel also. But mostly, I don't really get, I don't know, it's hard to say. But, you know, sometimes when you like, it's a grab because the grab, they have one-way like payment. When you already see that in your phone, how much, something like that. But if you do that in taxi, they always rip you off. For some reason, I don't even get it also. Like if you see they're foreigner, and it seems like they know you're a first timer, I swear they always rip you off. Some people will be mad about it, but it's true. Irix 351. Hi Lot, mabuhay from Korea. What do you think about avocado shake? Does your husband like it? Avocado, my husband don't like to eat avocado, but I love avocado. Usually avocado, I always put that in my hair. When I went in US, because I don't do nothing over there, I think I feel bored. I put that in my hair all the time. Peed up. Heard single retires cannot get pill health no more. I think you can. You still a foreigner can still get kind of pill health, but they are not allowed to put in like Z-Pack. And there are more, the government changed the policy now that the foreigner are going to pay more than the Filipino. Which is if if the Filipino get the pill health, they automatically can get Z-Pack. And I think there are 3 of them. And I asked them last time, they told me that because I am Filipino, I can get that easily, but it depends to the doctor or what kind of procedure do you want to change. Or the hospital will say, no, we won't cover it, then I don't know. Lot is nice break from brain ugly mug. I don't get it. Yosip Maki, do you think it's cheaper in Philippines or Vietnam? We never been Vietnam, so I don't know. I don't know which is cheaper. Some people say it's more cheaper here. Some people say it's cheaper there, so I can't confer. I can't comment about it because we never been there. Guijardo Javerena. Did you buy a new car? No, we don't, because we are going. We're s- we're talking to buy a new one, but we changed our plan for some reason. I'm going to learn how to drive too, so I won't gonna disturb Brian all the time where I wanna go or something. I need to go somewhere, so I need to use the old car or devil car that we still have prior to, you know, prior to practice how to drive here. SF Bugaki. Hi Brown, see you and lot in November. Oh, just let us know, SF Bugaki. Jackson Hanson? Jackson. Ano ba? Here from Cabangan, Zambales. We went Zambales last year, and Eva Zambales. Jason says, I always get rep off in Makati by taxi. Best always ask for a price before you enter. You are very right, Jason. Because you know what? I went anywhere I go or somewhere, even though I am a Filipino, believe me, they always rip me up also. Mostly in Manila. Like I went to this strike and they asked me for this. I was like, I just can walk down there to the street and you want me to pay this? What can I do? Mataba. I never take taxi in Angeles. Some reason I do not trust them on pricing. Trike is okay, always room to discuss the price with the driver. That's right also. Like I said, before you enter the trike or ever do wherever you likes to, like taxi or trike, you need to conversation the price first. Space time. Hello Louisa. Hello Space. Scott Clark. Hello from South Korea. How many dialect do you speak? I speak poor. I speak English. Ano? I speak English. I speak Bisaya. I speak Kamayo. And I speak Tagalog. And I know how to speak Kapampangan. A little bit. Oh, no, not little bit. I can understand them, but I know how to speak little bit from them words. Little by little. Joey James, by buying several bags of rice and selling them in the store, is that a good business? It depends where is your location. A rice is I think rice is good business. Rice is a good business, but it depends where is your location. You need to make it sure that people will pass there 24 hours, because you know rice is, people used to have rice every day. They eat it 3 times a day, so they need rice. But as I said, depends where is your location then. Travel boy, does Brian have the SSRV visa or spouse visa? He have spouse visa, is they called it 13A. Antonio Brown, just wanted to know, I plan on moving there in February, but I wanted to know if I do the internet is good enough to continue being a pro gamer, or there was a live streaming, if you're able to answer. I can't answer that, it comes to internet. You wanna answer it?
What's that?
He said this. Anthony Brown.
No, I plan on moving. No, it all depends on where you move. You move out in the province somewhere, and your internet, I guarantee it, is no good. You move to like the city, Manila, Makati, Cebu, somewhere where the city is, the internet's a lot better. It's just choppy here. They do have fiber optics, so you can go with that. But it's here where we're at, it's choppy. Some days it's good, some days it's bad. Different times of the day it's good, and different times of the day it's bad. It all depends on where you live. And if you get fiber optic, you'll be all right.
Okay. I ask you something. Can you answer this?
What is it?
Let me see. I will find it because I told that person that you will answer. I will ask you about it. Oh my gulay, where is that? Oh, I can't find it no more. Sorry.
No. Is the
Space
salad
it.
guy still around? Yeah.
Always.
Always.
Every day. Ha, Vanessa Litaban. Hi, ate. Hello, Vanessa. What's the best traditional Filipino dish? Our traditional dish is like adobo.
Adobo.
Yeah, adobo.
Yeah, adobo. Sisig.
Adobo, sisig, and what else? I think that's about it. Oh, I don't know. What's the weather like in November? Graham say, well, November is nice.
Yeah, November's okay. Not too hot, not too cold. It's always warm here. So it's... November's okay.
Gigardo, can we use American Medicare in the Philippines? Can you?
I
don't think so.
I don't think so. Is Jenilyn set up into her new job? Yes, she is, Wally. She's doing good. She was there yesterday pretty much all day. She was there pretty much all day today. Yeah, she's doing good. She caught on and she's doing fine. What's the weather like in February, March?
Good.
It's okay. March is starting to get warm. At least here, April, it just gets hot. April, summertime.
Yeah, it is.
And it just gets hot.
Brian from Sarah 95. Have you ever trouble eating street food?
No. No, because I watch. I make sure it's cooked good. I make sure it's, when they grill it, that it's grilled, well. I look at the oil to make sure the oil's not, doesn't have like a real brownish look to it. Because if it has a brownish look to it, the oil is old. So those are the things I kind of watch out for. But I never really had a problem with it. A lot of times, the problem I'll have is if I buy something that's ice-based. They make a drink or something like that, and the ice they're using is like tap water. And then I'll usually get like a stomach problem with that. But street food, no, I really haven't had a problem with it.
Randy Wood, enjoy the vlogs, guys. Thanks.
Thank you. Handsome man. Wow.
Ooh.
Guapo.
Look at you, handsome.
Veterans can use the health benefits now in the Philippines. There it is. Oh, there's Edge.
Veterans can use the health benefits now in the Philippines. It is good.
I don't know. He says so. There's Edge.
All right, Hannah Grace over here.
How you doing?
Can you say hi? Hi. Can you say hi? Oh, you can see me. Oh.
Go in the middle.
Go in the middle. Why are you scared to show your face?
Are you hot?
Yeah.
Any night market in Angeles City with street food?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think this started already. They have a night market in Angeles now.
Yeah. There's always street foods around.
Anywhere.
Yeah. You always see street foods. Wow, thank you, Sam. You rushed home just to catch us. Hannah Grace. Randy is waving. Hi, Hannah Grace. Have you ever tried going to Mindanao, Visayas?
He did.
Oh, yeah.
Mindanao, he did. He lives there like 4 months.
Yeah. That's which province, Mindanao.
Yes.
We'll be going back down there after school is out. We'll go down there. Joe the Man says hi, Hannah Grace.
Gigardo Padrena, PhilHealth.
Yeah, I have PhilHealth. Well, Lud has
Yeah, I
PhilHealth
have
and I have
PhilHealth.
it. I'm covered under her.
Joe the Man.
E.T. Yes, you're more than welcome to visit the store. Just send us a message through Facebook, Philly in the Philippines Facebook page, and let us know when you're here, what time, what day, what date, and we'll set it up through that. Have you ever thought about getting a new Sony camera, and are the cameras cheap in the Philippines? That is a good question, Sam, because my Canon I have now, I've had it for 3 years now, and I've used it hard. And now it's to the point where I can hear the gears in there grinding, and I notice the focus is starting to have a hard time adjusting, and I notice the colors are going bad. And I checked on replacing it. I'm looking at the other, the Canon G7X Mark II, and replacing it. Now I got prices here in the Philippines, and they're high compared to back in the States. So I said, all right, let me go through Amazon, and let me see how much they would charge, to ship through Amazon. And of course it was cheaper through Amazon, but by the time you pay that import tax, it was right up there, the same price as you could buy them here in the Philippines. So yes, I have thought about replacing my Canon, because like I said, it is starting on its last leg. But to buy them here, they're more expensive than the States, but to ship them here, you're right up there for what they cost here. So, but yeah, that's a good question. Electronics are expensive here, and to get them through Amazon and shipped here, they're even, right at the same price. Do you need a visa entry less than 30-day stay? No, when you come into the Philippines, they stamp you for 30 days. But you do need to show proof you're leaving the Philippines within 30 days. You buy an onward ticket, and you have to show proof. Because if you don't show proof, they'll catch you at the airport, and they won't let you board. You'll have to go out and buy another ticket to show proof you're leaving here in 30 days.
Hannah Grace, come here. RX 351. So somebody asked you here. He said, "What do you want to be when you grow up?"
Doctor.
Doctor.
Dr. Hannah Grace.
Meron pala akong project.
Where's it?
Jerry Mack, hi Brian, coming over. Yeah, like I said, we like meeting up with our subscribers. As a matter of fact, this past Sunday there was like 4 different stops we had from subscribers. We'll get 3, 4 times a week people will stop over just to say hello. Someone needs to bring one from the States for you. Yeah, Joe, you're right. My wife.
Wonderwood. What's Brian and Lot wants to be when they grow up? That's kind of funny. I lost my dream already. I want to be newscaster.
Hello, Guy from Ottawa, Kansas. Or Ottawa, Canada. My bad. Ottawa, Canada.
See? Hannah Grace, I think you will become a great doctor.
Wow.
Yeah.
351.
Joe the Man. Wow, impressive little girl. My son is in medical college.
What's that?
See, they're in college, medical.
Sayer 155. You're right. Moisture kills things around here. If you find yourself in Saigon, I'll give you a tour. Saigon is Vietnam.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. That's on the to-do list in the future.
Wow, and mess. I'm arriving in Manila from New Zealand tomorrow. Not sure if I'm going up your way. Thought maybe.
I think I know where your store is. It's on Google Earth. Somebody tagged it on Google Earth. SNR Sorry store in Daewoo. So I tell people that's the easiest way to find it.
Wow, Wally ko, you need a plenty of patience to be a good doctor. I'm not sure if other reasons.
So we need to drop Medicare if we go back to the Philippines. I don't know if I would do that because if you drop it and you have an issue, you know, that you need to go back to the States, then you don't have the Medicare.
Sabi niya, kailangan mo din ng marami. You need
When I
have
come to visit,
immunity.
what does Hannah Grace want? A stuffed kangaroo or a koala?
What's koala?
Koala bear.
What is koala? A
It's
bear.
koala bear. A koala bear or a kangaroo?
Which one you like? Kangaroo or koala?
I don't know.
You don't know kangaroo too?
I know kangaroo,
Or which one you like? Koala, you only pick one.
but I don't know koala.
Then you choose the koala.
Koala?
Yeah.
Koala bear. What's the quality of goods when you buy off of Lazada? They're good. You got to watch. I mean, what I like about Lazada is it's cash on delivery. So you don't have to give out your credit card. But I've never had a problem with Lazada. Everything I bought from them was good. Koala it is. Sam's bringing a koala. But I've never, when it comes to Lazada, I've never bought anything like over $100. It was all
Bye.
less than $100 items. So but I mean, they sell cameras and everything like that on Lazada. So, I mean, I was looking at Lazada to buy a camera, and yeah, they're going to be cheaper. That's if they don't ship from overseas. If they ship from overseas to here, then you got to pay that import tax. Hello, Solomon. We're doing good. Everybody's doing good. What time we got? 47.
7.
All right. Yeah, we'll wrap this one up. We still got to cook dinner. We still got to eat. And like I said, brownout. That is why we weren't on. Pierre Lu, greeting from Taiwan. Greetings. But that's why we weren't on. And you know what? It is kind of good that we do these shows kind of in the evening also, because different people from different places around the world, you know, they can join us. But like I said, we always try to do it every Wednesday, 9 a.m., unless there's a brownout like today. And that's why we're on now. But anyways, you know what? Thanks for stopping in. Thanks for the questions. And thanks for subscribing. Thanks for your support. And
Bless you.
excuse me. What do you got to say, Lut?
Until next time.
Until next time.